Welcome in. Welcome to Friday Night Tips number 9. I think I'm going to stop saying the number because hopefully we get way up there, but I'll leave it in for tonight. So tonight we will be going over, well, let me ask you, do you have 15 minutes to meditate, do a full-blown meditation session? Do you have time for that? No? Well, how about give me 60 seconds and a hand? All right, so tonight we're going to be talking about the 5-finger breathing technique. It's actually a pretty simple technique. It's a quick one that you're going to have in your toolbox. You can do anywhere. Super easy to do, but we'll get right into it. So the 5-finger breathing technique or tip that we're going to talk about, we're going to do, here's my hand, quick and easy. So we're going to breathe in. We'll start at the base of the finger or at the thumb. Hello, the thumb. And we're going to breathe in. You know, when you breathe in, you're going through your nose, exhale through the mouth. So very simple technique here. So learn it, throw it in your toolbox. Very easy. So we're going to trace up and then down, and we're going to go through each finger. And the whole goal is to, when you have that your racing thoughts, your heart rate is up, and you're starting to kind of spiral. You're feeling like you're going in the wrong direction. Then just do this quick and easy breathing technique. I know we've talked about other ones, but this one, it's breathing plus it's the attention to the visual. So it's the visual is going to make you focus. The breathing calms the system down. Throw them together and it's a winning combination. Okay, so we're going to start here at the base of the thumb and we're going to breathe in, out, in, in, that actually just got me a little dizzy. That means it's working. Slowing the system down, super easy. So the breathing, the visual, they work hand in hand. Hand in hand. I know, I'm a goofball, and I'm Italian, so I cannot talk without these hands. So this is a great breathing technique. I haven't thought about it in a long while, and I have it I'm doing this journal, and it's one of the 15. And I'm like, I haven't done that one in a while. So let's bring it up in today's Friday Night Tips. It's a good one. Super easy to do. So, it's discreet, easy to do. You can do it in the office, even at your desk. You can go into the bathroom, do it there. If your thoughts are starting to race and you're in your bed, it's just an easy one to just whip this hand out, go through the exercise. It only takes 60 seconds, a minute or 2 minutes max, and you will start calming the system down. Yes, you'll be calming the system down. And the visual, I really like the visuals because it takes you from it just takes you from out there, spiraling, going in the wrong direction, and the focus, you could focus on something visual, and it can really calm you back down, bring you back to earth, bring you back to reality. That's really it. Getting you back to reality, because when you're in an anxious period, you are, spinning out of control, starting to take your stress in the wrong direction, this brings everything back here. And you know what? You should do some of these things before you start being overwhelmed, before you start feeling, like you're spinning or getting out of control. You should do these techniques that take 60 seconds. Do them when you're not all freaked out. Just kind of do them every few days, even when you're not stressed. You do your little breathing technique, and it kind of keeps stress at bay. Yeah, that's a good way to say it. It's keeping stress at bay. So do these little techniques again, even when you're not stressed out. Do them occasionally, and it kind of wards things off. So super easy one. Probably lost a few of you because they're so damn easy. You saw it in that first 30 seconds. Inhale, out. Inhale, exhale, up each finger. There's not much to it. But when your brain starts racing, try giving it something to follow. And that movement on the hand just, again, brings everything here. So, super easy one. And I really hate, you know, giving you all your time back. I'd like you to stay here with me a little longer, but the channel is evolving. If you're just coming in here, I'm not all about, um, anxiety and stress techniques. The channel is really built on 4 pillars. So go and check out the great music section. That's a newer part of the channel. The music is on par. It's great, relaxing, Ibiza, house, deep house, soft house, tropical house. And my visuals, because I'm an ocean lover, I just love the ocean calms me down. So I thought I would do a channel with a lot of ocean visuals and some great music to kind of be, you know, in combination with the music. The visuals are, ocean, Ibiza, tropical, and because if you're anything like me, when you get stressed out, you like to go down to a large body of water. If it's ocean, awesome. If you got an ocean nearby, you're so lucky because I don't right now. I live in Texas and very far away from any large body of water. Well, that's not true. I do have a lake that's not too far. So sometimes I'll just take a walk down by the lake and kind of do a visual. The last episode, we talked about stretching your vision way out there. That is so good for you. The sun, getting a little bit of sun every day, stretching the vision way out there. And if you're spiraling, do this little breathing technique, going up each finger, up and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. It's a 60-second technique, tip, and it can bring you back to reality. It can ground you. We're all looking when we're in an anxious period or a stressed out period. We are trying to get back to baseline, and this is something that can help you. So, if you've been here before, every Friday you come back to me. We're going to talk about something else. All these little techniques that you can throw in your toolbox. So when you're, kind of spinning out of control, life is hard, you're in a stressed out period, you're in school, and I know when I was in college, I was stressed a lot, and so these little tips can help keep you grounded. And so, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a doctor and I'm not a psychologist. So you're not coming here when you're really going through a funk. You make an appointment with your psychologist. If you're really in a bad headspace, you call 911. So there's things that you can do when you're really out there. But if you're managing things and you're under control, but you're still stressed or anxious, but you kind of have things under control, but you're trying to learn how to cope with your body and help regulate things, then this is a great place to be with me on Fridays. And we go over these things, and we're a community, and we help each other out. Look at me, I just hit the mic. I hit the mic. I'm Italian, and I'm always got the hands going, and so you're gonna see this a lot. I don't know. Anyway, but hang with me Fridays. Let's make it a fun little 15 minutes on Fridays before you're really clocking out and wanting to get somewhere and go have some food and, a cocktail or whatever it is that you like to do on a Friday. I am trying to build a community. And if you like any of this stuff, please subscribe. I'm so bad about saying, please subscribe to my channel. It's a great channel, though. I've got music, I've got sleep videos, relaxation videos. We've got Friday night tips where we talk about these kind of things. So please subscribe. Hang with me for a little while on Fridays. I would greatly appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I hope you start feeling better. And I hope our little tips help you feel better. And I will see you back here next Friday. And if you know anything, if you've been here before, you know I end the night with my little drum. Have a great Friday. Have an amazing weekend, an amazing week. And I will see you here next Friday. Take care.